So, someone made this post. I saw it on my news feed. A university lecturer. He said, I should go and close an account that I traveled to Lagos to get so-and-so person to sign as one of my signatories. Say, God punish you, Ekpa Gigi, and a robo guy. He made this post concerning the VDM and GTB issue. Are you following it? Someone now replied him. Somebody now replied him. The person said, Prof, it is different strokes for different people. Truth be told, whether you close your account or not, it does not change the fact that GTB has sensed trouble. You see a wise man talking. Which bank announces closure for 4 days just like that? It is not really about you, sir. You see, some people just open their mouth to talk. And I replied this guy. I said, thank you for your wise and intelligent postulation, sir. We are not forcing you to go and close your account. The bank involved, they know the issue at hand. They understand the game. They know the issue that their bank is at stake. Their business is at stake. We are not saying that everybody should go and, if you want to leave your account, leave it. It not concern us. Now, when I now saw that, he said for 4 days, which bank announces closure for 4 days, just like that? It's not really about you, sir. I now later saw a post by someone saying that, he said, a blogger now posted, GTB has announced that they will be closing some of their activities in the country for 4 days following the recent situation which involved the arrest of VDM. Over 100,000 Nigerians have emptied their accounts with the bank in the last 24 hours, and their official pages have received over 30,000 reports from Nigerians since yesterday. Things are not looking good. GTB fears something might happen to their workers as the situation keeps escalating on the internet. Stay tuned. Now, I don't know how many number of people that have closed their account with GTB, according to the report I just read now. But the closure of GTB for 4 days should tell you that the bank knows what's up than you who opens your mouth saying that you are calling people mumu. Say because they are asking people to go and pull your account, you are calling them Ekpa Gigi because you think you are a university lecturer. You think you can speak English. You think because one popular person joined you to sign as signatory in opening the account. The administrator, the owners of the bank knows what is at stake. Some of them don't open. I have seen several posts too. The same person made a post. He said this year GTB will publish, if they should publish their turnover, some of you will be shocked that the Ratels who close their account there does not affect them. You imagine those kind of careless posts. GTB knows that if a good number of Ratel family, so to say, close their account with them, whether it affects them or not, it will affect their brand. If it does not affect them now, in time to come, it's going to affect them. But you see, now, what I want to really drive at in concluding this video is this. The issue of VDM's money being withdrawn, the issue that resulted to the whole situation at hand right now, has it been rectified? How come the bank, that is the question. Has the bank rectified it? The woman said she didn't take a loan from your bank. Someone scammed, maybe someone, I don't know, maybe someone in the bank or a passerby or whoever that had access to her name, her NIN number and all that. Has that issue been rectified? This issue of external forces gaining access into people's account in Nigeria, this is not the first time we are seeing such things. It's not the first time. I think the federal government, the EFCC, the police, and every security agencies involved need to start following up banks, not only GTB. The other time we saw a video, I've forgotten the particular bank. One man said his 500 million naira was stolen in a particular bank, and the bank are saying that they are not aware of it. The man was inside the bank for hours, a bit for days. I don't know whether I even slept there. This issue is not just about GTB alone. This matter, this VDM matter, it go open up a lot of things. It will result to Nigerians talking about other issues that the National Assembly will have to sit over, the federal government, the police, the EFCC. More not talk first.